Welcome to our human anatomy exploration. Today, we'll be delving into the fascinating world of human anatomy. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interactive buttons on the board left side of the virtual human. Use them to show or hide different body systems. Use the button corresponding to the skeletal structure to reveal the bones that form the framework of the body. The skeletal system provides the framework for our bodies, supporting our organs and facilitating movement. It's like the structure of a building, giving us shape and stability. Bones also produce blood cells, which are essential for our immune system. Next, we'll direct our attention to the muscles. Use the muscle button for the muscular system to display the major muscle groups on the body. Muscles are responsible for movement. They contract and relax to bend our joints and help us move around. Without muscles, we wouldn't be able to walk, run, or even blink. Moving forward, our next topic of study will be blood vessels. Use the blood vessel button to understand the network of blood vessels that transport nutrients, oxygen, and waste. The heart pumps blood through blood vessels like arteries and veins. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart, while veins return oxygen-poor blood back to the heart. Next up, we'll be covering the nervous system. Use the button for the nervous system to explore the body's communication network. The nervous system controls our body's functions and allows us to sense and respond to our environment. It includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves, which transmit signals throughout the body. This has been an example of a human anatomy simulation. Feel free to revisit the experience or return to the homepage to explore different simulations.